Okay, so this is the last video for 1-4 looking at exponential and logarithmic inverses. Why are we doing it again? Because there are two more types of opposite functions, exponential and logarithmic. Now, exponential means something b to the x, where x is the exponent this time, not a number. And logarithmic is the number, returns that x. That tells us what it gives us back our exponent. So we're not going to look at an example because they're kind of messy. But we are going to look at a graphical example. So here is the quadratic, or this is the exponential function, and you see our y equals x, and that is the logarithmic function. So you can see how they are reflected down. You have this orange is reflected down and becomes the green, okay? We weren't doing mathematical version of it because we're not ready for that just yet. Exponential and logarithmic are inverses. The opposite of the exponential is the logarithmic and vice versa. Okay, so I don't have any other examples for this. You won't have any of these problems on your assignment. We will revisit exponential and logarithmic at the end of the semester, or I mean at the end of the year rather. I do want to remind you that the logarithmic, let me go back, or the exponential has a domain of all real numbers, so it will just keep on growing even off the screen. But it has a range of x not included going up. So y greater than 0. The logarithmic is the opposite. It has x greater than 0 but not equal to, and all y's, all real numbers for the y's. So that's another indicator that they are inverses because the domain and ranges have flipped. They actually have the opposite in terms of domain and range. Okay, that is it for this one. It was really short.